This is so cool. It has like the Federal
Start paying
Reserve bank
attention to the
notes.
dollar bills. Do you know how to check where they're from? It's on, when they're on there, it's easy to see this since you're doing
Yeah, while you're doing the video, maybe you can explain.
These letters right here. So like the Richmond one.
Oh yeah, I noticed that on the
Richmond
thing.
right
That's what
there.
made me say it. Yeah.
Exactly. Yep.
I wish I could like.
Yeah, I thought that.
I'm ready to say that.
So on ones, the letter, or excuse me, the stamp shows you the actual city name inside of it, but they all have this corresponding letter in the serial number. So if you have a 5, a 10, a 20, whatever this first letter is, and that serial number tells you. If it was an E, it came out of Richmond.
And that's the same.
And that correlates exactly. Yeah. So they number them right. We're the 5th District Federal Reserve.
Like
so A, B, C, D, E. Right. It goes alphabetical. Exactly. Yeah. For whichever city it is. Yeah.
I'm so hyped. We got the bike fixed. Y'all don't understand. I was having withdrawals. I told my son to ride the bike. He acting funny. Come on, baby. Trying to cross the street. They say walk. See, you gotta cross. Making my way downtown, walking fast. And I down. Can you hear the trick? I'm so happy we got the bike fixed, y'all. I was having withdrawals. My son didn't want to ride it, but now look at him. That new seat, it does hurt a little, but once we get used to it, I think it'll be fine. Not seat, saddle. That's the correct term for those that ride bikes. Saddle. So as y'all can see, the bike is not actually complete, and I just spent $100.80. Yeah, we ready to walk it right on back down the street because we ain't far from the place that I just picked it up from. Because as my son was riding it, he could have seriously hurt himself. Look at this. Yeah, so they should have test rode it or something. We're gonna take it right back. Come on. We sure are. I just paid $100, baby. I'm gonna need y'all to fix this. Y'all had my bike for 2 weeks. Don't do no rush job, because this is our safety is involved. Look at it. Now I want to go back straight. Nope. Come on. Walk you back like a puppy. Mr. I don't like coming outside. I don't want to ride the bike. He enjoying it though. I think downtown Richmond is a beautiful place to ride bikes. There are a lot of hills though. Prime example. See that one? It's very steep too. But yeah, they just had to tighten it a little bit. He still need to slow down though, because he on a bike and I'm not. Look, my fanny pack. I gotta tighten my fanny pack around my waist and everything. Come on, like they walk. Come on. Hurry. Stop, walk. You just know. Look at these hills in my city. It is no joke, y'all. I ain't even halfway up yet. I said you keep going. As long as you say walk, you keep going. Just don't go too far ahead of me. Y'all don't understand. I was having bike withdrawals. I said, now if I ain't gonna work out and do that, I'm gonna at least ride my bike, because that's an exercise within itself. But yeah, that's why you can't let people borrow your stuff. Cool. No, you would just keep straight, young man. Lord, let me pay attention to my son now, y'all, because he having a moment. But like I was saying, because I've been riding it too, y'all. That's why I'm sweating. But like I was saying, that's why you can't let people borrow your stuff. If they type of people don't take care of their own stuff, they're not going to take care of yours neither. And that's kids included. I don't care. Oh, they just kids? They do? No, they ratchet neighborhood kids. There's a difference between kids and ratchet neighborhood kids. Because they stay coming to my house asking for stuff, but don't know how to take care of my stuff. So therefore, that's why they mad at me now. Because they can't no longer come to my house. They can't no longer borrow nothing. I don't care if it's boxing gloves, my bike, nothing. They can't get free icebergs. Nope, you got to pay like everybody else. So it is what it is. That's why you don't take people kindness for weakness. You know? And I still constantly teach them about principles, like saying please and thank you and showing gratitude. But can't get nothing else from me. And I'm so happy about bike pics because I already told them they ain't riding once to get pics. It feels so good to be back on it. Like, y'all don't understand. My gym babies know what I'm talking about. My spiritual gyms know what I'm talking about. Y'all, so y'all know that limo that rolled past, they look so beautiful. I love seeing stuff like this. I just ran into this like 2 days ago. Oh, it must be a wedding. I'm gonna try to stay quiet so won't nobody say nothing to me. They look so... Stop right there. Look so beautiful. Are you guys going to? Alright, I'm done. Ain't nothing much going on. Oh, and look, you guys. It says Richmond Limousine. So you can rent those if you're in this city. Outfit and TikTok shop. This is a crop top. But I got my TikTok shapewear underneath it as well. My TikTok shapewear. We had to use the men's restroom because the women's is out of water. This is ghetto. But anyway, it's tall girl friendly. I don't want to pass it. So it dragged the floor. It is 5:07 p.m. and we just making it here. But basically it is a community event on the east end of Richmond. I'm gonna let y'all know when we get closer. And they do have a Richmond bus that is a shuttle bus for people who gotta walk, so they don't have to walk far and things like that. They do have a GRTC bus that is strictly for that. So I do hear people walking past and complaining, saying there's nothing to do here. I don't know how true that is because I see a lot of vendors, food vendors and stuff like that. So fun is all in what you make it. Fun is all in what you make it. So it looks like we arrived in the back of the thing. They are doing face painting. Ladies selling wigs and jewelry. She's selling jewelry. And she's selling... See, we need to come to the front because I'm sorry, I'm gonna try to get every table. What is the name of your business? E-Boutique? Hold on, say it out. E-Boutique. E-Boutique. Rory. And hers is Zodiac by Star. I won't get your face unless you I'm trying not to record people, but I am trying to get the business name.
Didn't know that.
And Anthem is here as well. You look beautiful, by the way.
Thank you.
Gotta get the content in first, then I'm coming back and that stuff when I can. And just to show you guys, she does have business cards with candy in it as well. That's so cute. I was going to say, could you explain your business and what it is that you do? Looks like help stuff.
Let me get
Show your business. Okay.
say so I can be prepared and ready, you know. So. But yeah, I would have been.
Ladies, could you explain your business and what it is that you do?
Okay,
That's-
so we are
You have business
medicated.
cards? You have business cards?
We are Mary Kay consultants.
Oh,
So we are here today to showcase our products as well as try to
and they've been racking up too. I see
Yes, they
your
will.
basket almost gone.
and try to explain to people about their basic facials. A lot of people are not really into makeup, but we're about protecting the skin.
The neighborhood they live in, they deserve the best. And I know you all want the best, and the East End wants the best. Let's have some fun today.
Sorry,
and
you
enjoy
go ahead.
yourself.
I'm a part of it.
Oh, you're a wagon. I know that's right.
Yeah, Armstrong Walker Football Legacy Classic Project. That was 40 years. Armstrong High School and Maggie Walker High School played each other in what they call a classic game right after Thanksgiving. That Friday, Saturday after Thanksgiving. Everybody who was in the East End and in the West End, really, it was pretty much I hate to say it was a black thing, but it was Armstrong and Walker. That was right before integration occurred for the most part. Would come out to the game, and we are to keep that legacy going. We are raising money to give scholarships. We give scholarships. The last 3 years we've given scholarships. In fact, we've had a parade the last 2 years that went downtown, started over the East End, went downtown and back and forth, and then we had. I can feel it.
And this is art from students at Richmond Public Schools. They better than me, because all I know how to do is draw stick people. Shout out to the children for their artwork. Oh, that looks like Chai. It looks just like my cat.
Good evening, everyone. The most important thing that we
I'm probably not
have
going to be able to show all of them.
is the gift of possibility. Our children are
And right here, they did have food for anybody that's a vendor out of here. I thought that was very nice that they got food for people who came out to support their businesses. You know, that was a way to support their business by giving them free food.